motivational and success viral videos for Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. Create viral social media channels and get huge profits by uploading them exactly as they are or editing them in an instant of seconds. Create viral Shorts videos without filming anything. From the desk of Vaibhav Patel. Let's be real for a moment. Attention spans are shorter than ever. Today, people are constantly scrolling through TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, consuming content in seconds. Long, boring videos are dead. Most people don't even give them a chance anymore. But here's something interesting. If you look closely, you'll notice many channels growing insanely fast. Without showing their face. Without expensive equipment. Without spending hours creating content. They post short, engaging viral videos. And boom, thousands, even millions, of followers. People love this type of content. And the best part? This is one of the easiest ways to go viral right now. And yes, it can make you real money. Social media platforms are rewarding creators like never before. Through monetization, brand deals, and massive traffic opportunities. So naturally, you might be thinking, why not start something like this myself? But here's where most people get stuck. The real problem. Finding viral clips takes hours of research. Editing videos requires time and effort. Adding captions and music is frustrating. Staying consistent every day is hard. Outsourcing can cost a lot of money. And because of all this, most people never even start. They feel overwhelmed before taking the first step. No time. No system. No consistency. And let's be honest. You don't want to spend hours doing manual work every day. And you definitely don't want to pay someone hundreds of dollars either. But here's the good news. You don't have to struggle anymore. Today, I'm giving you a simple, powerful shortcut to get started instantly. Introducing your done-for-you viral content system. A massive bundle of 1,000 plus motivational viral videos fully ready to upload. No editing. No searching. No stress. Just pick a video, upload it, and you're done. You can post on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. In less than 5 minutes a day. Forget all the complicated work like finding viral clips, editing videos manually, adding subtitles and music, spending hours every day. All the hard work is already done for you. And yes, you can still customize everything if you want. Add your logo, tweak the videos, make them unique. Or simply upload them as is and start growing fast. This is not just content. It's a complete shortcut to building viral pages. You're literally getting a ready-to-use system in your hands. Imagine this. Your social profiles are growing daily. Followers increasing automatically. Views turning into real income. All by spending just a few minutes a day. And if you stay consistent, you can turn this into a steady monthly income stream. Even thousands of dollars per month is possible. So yes, this is one of the easiest side hustles you can start today. No experience. No big investment. No complicated setup. Just upload, grow, and earn. Hey there, it's Vaibhav Patel here. I'm an online marketing expert, looking to help marketers and online businesses increase results and success. Here's what's possible with simple daily uploads. Some of the biggest viral channels you see today are growing insanely fast by posting just 1 to 2 short videos per day. No complicated strategy. No heavy work. And now here's the exciting part. You get a massive competitive advantage. Why? Because while others are searching for content, editing for hours, struggling to stay consistent, you already have 1000 plus ready to use viral videos in your hands. No manual work. No stress. No wasted time. Just pick, upload, and move on. It takes less than 5 minutes a day to stay consistent. And consistency is exactly what builds viral growth. Work smarter, not harder, and grow faster than others. Here's everything you'll get today. 1000 plus motivational and success viral videos ready to upload on TikTok, YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. 100% unrestricted PLR rights. Use them, edit them, brand them, no limitations at all. High engagement, proven viral content designed to grab attention and grow your audience fast. Value, $247. Bonus included, limited time. Quick video editing tutorial guide. Learn how to customize videos in just a few clicks. Add your logo, personalize content, make videos unique in minutes. Optional but powerful for branding and growth. Value, $47. Total value, $294. Yours today for a fraction of the price. Frequently asked questions, FAQ. Is it safe to upload the videos, or there could be some copyright issue? The videos are safe to upload without any copyright issue. By the way, if you want the content to get maximum engagement from social media platforms, the best thing to do is to make small edits to the videos before uploading them. I explain in detail how to do it inside the tutorial guide. It's highly suggested to make these little changes to show your content as unique. How many videos should I upload per day? What does it mean that videos come with unrestricted PLR support? If you need help, you can contact digitalvabovreview@gmail.com. Warrior Plus is used to help manage the sale of products on this site. While Warrior Plus helps facilitate the sale, all payments are made directly to the product vendor and not Warrior Plus. Thus, all product questions, support inquiries, and / or refund requests must be sent to the vendor. Warrior Plus's role should not be construed as an endorsement, approval, or review of these products, or any claim, statement, or opinion used in the marketing of these products. Copyright 2026 digitalvabovreview.com, all rights reserved. Privacy policy, disclosure, FTC, disclaimer, terms and conditions.